Hi everybody, Paul here. If your washing machine ever overfills out the top with water, then I'm going to show you how to easily fix it. The first thing you'll need to do is turn off the hot and cold water supply. If the machine is still filled with water, then run it on the spin cycle, which will remove all the water. Next, unplug the electrical cord. The first thing that needs to be checked is the pressure switch. The pressure switch will be located on top by the main controls. To gain access, you'll need to remove the fasteners on the top cover and then remove the top cover. I have screws here and here. The pressure switch is usually round and will have a small hose attached to it. Mine is located here. To test the pressure switch, remove the hose, then blow into the pressure switch as hard as you can until the air stops, and then release the pressure. You should hear a click. If you do not hear a click, then the pressure switch is bad and needs to be replaced. You can hear the clicking, so it's good. Next, blow into the end of the pressure switch hose. You should be able to blow air continuously through the tube with no restriction. If there's any restriction, then the hose needs to be removed and cleaned or replaced. The airflow is fine, so it's good. The second and last thing that needs to be checked is the water inlet valve located here. This is where the hot and cold water lines screw into the back of the machine. Disconnect both the hot and cold water lines from the water inlet valve. The water inlet valve can fail for a number of different reasons. One reason is if there's not enough water pressure going into the water inlet valves, so check the incoming water pressure. The water pressure is fine on both the hot and cold. Next, inspect the hot and cold water inlet valve screens. If either one of them is blocked, then clean it or replace the water inlet valve. Next, you'll need to gain access and inspect the water inlet valve for electrical failure. Remove the electrical connections on the water inlet valve and check it with the digital multimeter set on 2000 ohms. Check the cold water coil and the hot water coil. Each coil should read at least 500 ohms or more. If it's less than that, then it needs to be replaced. I'm going to remove just this top fastener. The hot water coil is 907 ohms, and the cold water coil is 925 ohms, so both coils are good. The water inlet valve can also fail internally and simply needs to be replaced. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now.